So, ito. So, ito naman, na blind. Basta tandaan nyo guys, this is they using before in the war. This is a war plane. This is the war before. So, ito yung pampatay. Pag sinute ka niyan, and then here is another one. So, mga dalawang tao ang pwedeng sumakay dyan. It's a war museum. Ganyan lang. Hello kaibigan. Kumusta ka dyan? Kawawa ka naman. Gusto mong samahan kita?